Where are you gonna go? Okay, you can go. Today is February 22nd, 2014, 11:15 a.m. Here we are, Carolina Lakes Beach. It's supposed to be a high of 68 or 69 today. It's probably around 58 degrees right now. He's gonna be so cold later. Yeah. They just can't stay away from it. Mommy all wet. Yeah, Sloanie's all wet. John Mark is going to probably fall and then be soaking wet. We don't have to change of clothes. Ugh. They love it. Oh, there goes pants down. Oh, I just can't stand it. Yeah. Oh, there he goes, falling down. He's got the biggest smile on his face. There's a ski show going on. Not really much interest in that by John Mark. Claire's getting her face painted. Ugh. Yuck.